that hopefully we ain't still boycotting Target, because that's what I'm on my way to. I got things I gotta get. Just some toilet paper and what else am I getting? Yeah, I forgot what I want. Oh, and some toothpaste. So yeah. Then I'm headed home if I can do my hair, because it's been like this for a minute now. I'm trying to debate on if I want to put some color in there or not. I think I am going to put some color in there, because my gray is just still so uneven, and I'm sure it's going to continuously be uneven until I let it completely grow out. But I'm not ready for the complete gray yet, and this streaky all over is getting on my nerves. So we are going to put some color in the hair and twist it back up, because we don't have time to be getting up in the morning brushing hair in ponytails and gelling and slicking and pulling and tugging. I ain't got time for that. Then I am going to probably head over a friend's house. He's supposed to be cooking, and he wants to go for a bike ride in the little woods trail thingy. So we may do that. It depends on how long it takes me to do my hair. Hopefully I'm gonna try to be done by 5 o'clock, if not earlier. I'm gonna just try to eat me something, give me a little bit of energy, because I'm a little sluggish right now. And then that's about it. But I wanted to open up this vlog and say hello. Yes, y'all probably seen me opening up one of my last 2 or 3 vlogs in this same little get up. It's cold outside again, y'all. It's like 58 degrees, and I'm like, what is going on? But all next week, well, I ain't gonna say all next week, some of the time next week is supposed to be 80, 70s, somewhere around there. This weather is like just up and down for whatever reason. I guess that's how we do in the Chi, but it hasn't been this bad. We are getting shorter and shorter on summer days, which I guess it's okay when you ain't got a whole lot going on, for me. But for everybody else that want to be outside, running around, kicking it, they looking for that weather. And it ain't been given like it should be. I hope everyone had a fabulous Memorial Day weekend, and week after that, short week at work, if you were able to have a short week at work. And I'll pick you guys back up later. All right? Bye. Good morning, my elite fam. Happy Sunday. So I just finished breakfast on my way home. I didn't realize it's not a lot to do at this time of morning. The things that I want to do and the runaround I got to do, I can't go that early in the morning. So I am going to head back home right now and try to get 2 videos quickly filmed, and then I need to put away laundry from yesterday, clean my bathtub from me shampooing my hair yesterday, and maybe I'll head back out later. But as of right now, I ain't feeling like it. You know how when you be out already and go back home, you don't want to go back out again? That's how I'm feeling at the moment. But whew, I'm trying to be outside and, you know, enjoy the beautiful weather. It is like 56 degrees ish. It's supposed to be a high 60s today, and right now it's really nice. I just got on this little sweatshirt and some leggings, and it's comfortable. I don't need a jacket on or anything like that. But yeah, I'll pick you guys back up if I step back out or if I do anything later on today. All right, but I wanted to say good morning, and don't forget to make sure you like the videos. Go back and watch a few of the other videos, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Leave a comment below. I love to talk to my peoples, and yeah, I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Hey guys, so I am back. I have just finished putting on my clothes, because this couch was full of clothes, and then I had to clean out what I call the pawpaw chair, which that chair has got to go, because y'all, I literally had to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, and I was really tired, and I fell over the dang on chair. Flip back, flip forward, I don't know what happened, but I hurt myself trying to go to the bathroom, fooling around with this doggone chair. So this chair has got to go. I know I talked about before taking up the carpet and redoing my room, extending my closet out, all that good stuff. I'm not ready yet. I am not ready yet, and I hate to do things when I'm not in the mood to do them, when I'm not financially set to buy everything and pay for everything to get done without any shortcuts. So I am not ready to do my room yet. I cannot wait to do my room. I'm still in the planning phase of it because I have changed a few things that I wanted to do, you know, as far as color, as far as design goes. But yeah, I even literally was looking at another house. I ain't moving nowhere though. I'm not. I just got into that mode and I'm like, what if I just bought another house? Sold this house, bought another house. But when I looked at the prices on the houses right now, baby, bye. No, sorry, Bob. I will not be buying a new house no time soon. So yeah, I'm gonna make do with what I got. I like my house though. It's not, you know, super big where it's like extremely hard for me to clean, but it would have been nice to have a third bathroom and a third bedroom, but it is what it is. So we're going to make do with what we have and make it our own. We've already, you know, done our little changes and, you know, little upgrades and stuff like that. Slow progress, but it's progress. Again, as soon as I am ready to do my room, that will be a whole series on extending my closet, changing out the floors, you know, painting, all that good stuff. New bed, you know, bed set and new bed set. I'm going to keep my couch because I really like my couch. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But I just wanted to show you, I think I showed you some vlogs back, some or maybe just mentioned it, some things that go on the ceiling fans. Let me show you. They're supposed to help with the dust, and they look like this. You know, it just goes on there and it has like a little sticky part on the back. The sticky part is Velcro. So you just take the tape off of here, stick it onto the fan, and then you Velcro the pieces on. And when you get new ones, you just, you know, peel it off and put the other ones on. And I would assume you just leave that piece of Velcro on there. But I'm going to put these on my ceiling fan, and I'm going to put them on my door ceiling fan. But I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some Fabuloso, clean off the dust that's on there, dry it off, and then we'll see how these work. It's supposed to literally cut down on some of the dust. You know, when ceiling fans is going, they be dusty. They be dusty. I don't care how much I dust in my house. It be dusty up in here. I don't understand, but it is what it is. I changed my filter the way I'm supposed to be. I use the HEPA filter, you know, for dust mite, or what do you call it, mites and dog hair, and I use the highest, you know, filter there is, but that still does not help. You know, you got doors opening. The carpet is a very big contributing factor to dust in the house. So it is something you just have to do your best to maintain, and that's what I'm going to do. So let's see how these work. I know we're not supposed to be using Fabuloso because it's supposed to be making people sick or whatever. I don't know if it was like a batch of it that had some kind of, how can a cleaning solution have bacteria in it? It just kind of threw me. I'm like, it's supposed to be killing the bacteria. How it got bacteria in it? But it was some batch of Fabuloso that was making people sick. I've been using this Fabuloso for a while now. It ain't made me sick. Everybody good. So we're going to continue on to use this bottle that we got. We'll try not to buy any more. I bought one little bottle for the camper. But yeah, we're just going to use it. So let's go ahead, put these up and see how they look. now that that is all done, I'm gonna go ahead, vacuum my room, and that is gonna be it for today. I do not feel like doing a bunch of cleaning. My body is a little achy from sitting down so long trying to do my hair yesterday, which I don't know, I just cannot get my twists right the way I be wanting them to, the way they used to be. I'm working on it, y'all. I'm really deep considering locking my hair. I just can't do it. Just can't do it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, vacuum this room up, wait for my daughter to finish getting dressed, and then we're going to head out. I'm gonna go over my mom's house so I can try to convince her to hem my white pants that I would like to wear to the comedy show at the end of the month. Hopefully she says yes, and then we'll probably go by a friend's house. He's supposed to be cooking today. Ain't no telling. He might cook, he might not cook. I don't know. We might go over there and just hang out for a few, but I'll get back to y'all shortly. So I know that's not the most aesthetically pleasing place for this chair right now, but to prevent myself from hurting myself again, this is where this chair is going to be at for right now, because that chair is heavy. That chair is like super heavy, and it's going to take multiple of us to get it out of here. So when I'm ready for it to go, we're going to go ahead and get rid of it. But for right now, that's what that chair is going to be. Freeing all my space up again. Not having that doggone chair in my way.
Soldier boy, tell me. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called Soldier Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me in it? Why me rock? Superman yeah, why me crank that RoboCop? Super friend, now why me jocking on them, hate them, man. When I do that soldier boy, I lean to the left and crank that thing now. I'm jocking on you, and if we get the fight, then I'm cocking on you. Catch me at your local party, yes I crank it every day. Haters get mad, cause I got me some bathing days.
Good evening, my Lee fam. So I am just getting home. Me and my daughter went and walked, and y'all, I ought to be ashamed of myself. It took us, I want to say over 48 minutes to walk only 3 miles. We need to get it together. So I'm about to cook right now and take me a hot shower and lay it down, because I make you feel tired. You got my glasses, girl? I'm all discombobulated. Then forgot my glasses in the car. Whew. So yes, we are trying to get back in the groove of things. So we're gonna do walking at least 3 nights a week right now. And then we're gonna try working out 2 nights a week. So, but let me go ahead and get myself together. I just wanted to pop on this camera and say hello. And I hope everyone is having a fabulous Monday. All right, bye. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I'll catch you in the next vlog. Bye.